फरीदा जलाल कहती हैं इस शो में कि खुदा मर्द को ऐसा हुस्न दे तो औरत को हया न दे. It's been a while where we could talk about women's glance and the way women look at men as brazenly and as bravely as they do in Hiramandi. And the time has come where we were ready for this. I want to say this to you and I want to do this for her.
We all will do it for her.
Guys, because in films like Pakiza, उसकी एक झलक हमने देखी थी कि क्या आर्च होता है. आपको लगता है कि it's all about the gararas and the pazeebs and the golden jewelry and everything, but the insecurities and the latter half of their life can be so depressing.
Yeah.
And you play a woman like that.
I get accused of playing very bold and feisty characters who are often prone even to violence. In this case, the character is probably prone to self-harm because so in love and so heartbroken by the world actually. Whoever she looks up to sort of lets her down, whether it's Malika Jan or whatever, and society is not fair to women like this.
Yeah.
I wanted that, I want to humanize this character. I want every woman to feel the pain, and I want every man who has judged a woman like this harshly do feel a sense of guilt and remorse because they're human beings. That's actually my whole endeavor in this.
Sherman, I must tell you, I had loved your performance in the other film also that was produced by Mr. Bhansali, where you were paired opposite Mizan. And your close-ups were always so beautiful because you knew how to express for the camera. She plays the girl who refuses to be the next courtesan in the world where it's the norm. And quite a silently fiery and silently feisty woman who wanted to be a Shaira.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, tell me the graph. As a viewer, I saw all of you actors mature from the first episode till the last that I have watched.
What I'll tell you is the first episode was shot continuously. Everything else was little sporadic. Upar Niche would be mainly stuck to episode 1, 2 and 3 and then after that even Upar Niche. But I think on the first day of set, I was very overwhelmed for sure because yes, Andresa did produce Malal, but here I have the privilege of him sitting behind the camera and telling me ki ye sahi hai, ye galat hai.
Right.
And I was very overwhelmed. I sat in the car that day on my way home and I just wept and wept and wept because I couldn't recognize myself after the fourth day of shoot. Then I was like, sat and I was like, telling my sister that I'm going to be a completely different person by the time the show is over. And I am. I started the show single. Now I'm married.
Oh, wow. Really, Sherman?
Yeah.
Oh, Mubarak ho.
So I think I matured in that aspect in life. So another aspect of Alam that I really enjoyed playing is because she matures throughout her craft.
Yeah.
Matures throughout the show.
Yeah.
She learns from her mistakes. She makes a lot of mistakes. As Richa, I take the Delulu from Lajjo. Alam takes the Delulu from Lajjo. The
Lajvanti.
Strength and courage to be her own self from Malika Jan. The fierceness of Wahida, the vulnerability of Pippo. So I think Alam is a mix of all. And to watch her mature and to actually mature with her throughout the shooting process, I think I had a lot of fun.
Sangeeta, describe that one scene that will always stay with you and that you would urge your viewers to look out for and wait for when they start watching.
I think every scene what I have shot with Sir has left a memory in my mind. As an actor, I always felt like in Fighter, the screen space was not much, but I thought that, I need to bring moments to the scene where I leave some kind of impact on audience, and that happened in Fighter. And here I am doing a series where I'm a Sanjay Leela Bhansali heroine, and I'm getting not just moments, I'm getting powerful performance-oriented scenes, and I just want to, live in the moment and perform it to the best, And it's easier when you're working with a director like Sanjay Leela Bhansali because he's minutest of detailing into the arc of the character is so beautiful that when you listen to him, when he's explaining about the scene, you connect deeper with the character. So for me, the process of getting in the character has been quite on this. सब पूछते क्या prep रहा है, क्या homework? मेरा कोई homework नहीं रहा है. My homework was on set when I was listening to Mr. Bhansali. You guys have seen the episode and it's so beautiful to hear that हम जो काम करते हैं उसकी तारीफ होती है. And I think an actor, it's a best form of appreciation. And I also feel that appreciation is the best form of blessing.
And I have always been in this conversation with my peers and friends in the industry. I will always tell them, यार वो गुरुदत्त वाला और वो के आसिफ वाला और वो
Absolutely.
कमाल अमरोही वाला जोश कहाँ है डायरेक्टर्स में?
यहाँ है.
यहाँ है.
यहाँ मिला
You
मुझे.
won't
I
believe
felt
it, I said these are the exact 3 names. मैं काफी सारी
बिल्कुल,
में
हाँ,
बोल
रिचा ने बताया।
लेगेसी अगर कोई आगे कैरी ऑन करने वाला है
Yeah.
तो वो दिस इज द मैन फॉर
Yeah. Yeah.
एंड दैट्स व्हाई ऐसा नहीं मैं किसी की बुराई नहीं करी पर दूसरे डायरेक्टर्स जब ये जोन या ये जॉनरा या पीरियड भी अटेम्प्ट करते हैं तो ये जो डायरेक्टर इनकी इंडिविजुअलिटी इनका ऑटो सेंस इतना बड़ा है
Yeah.
कि all those things look like poor second imitations
Yeah.
and the imprint is so deep that it's just like people, oh, you're trying to be like him because it's so iconoclastic.
If you Google the word courtesan, the first thing that they kind of
Artist.
offer to you is that they were the harbingers of etiquette. And there is a difference between the world of prostitutes and the world of courtesans. And this universe is about courtesans. Did you learn how to dance, how to sit, and वो जो जिस तरह से मलिका जान बता रही है
डांस करती हैं
No, I believed I was a very good dancer until I met sir. Really?
because उसमें ठुमरियाँ हैं
हाँ,
खुसरो
मैंने सोचा था कि I would dance and I would impress sir with my dancing. I was dancing, I was rehearsing. Beat ठीक नहीं है. You're not doing it on the beat.
this is the first reaction I got was छे छे
Okay, so did you learn dancing, all of you? And
शर्म आती है यार
When sir was sir was the choreographer for our dance. Our dance and all that, where to look, where to, all that is he's so involved in it, whatever we're doing.
अब मैं एक चीज बोल रही मैं माधुरी हम पे किसने हरा
अब देखो, आज जो उन्होंने देवदास में किया है।
वर्ल्ड सो आई वाज थिंकिंग क्या क्या आप लोगों ने सीखा होगा और क्या क्या
नहीं देखिए माधुरी इज माधुरी
हाँ
शी इज अ लेजेंड एंड आल्सो दैट वाज महाराज जी हु वाज कोरियोग्राफिंग दैट आई हैव लर्न कथक बट मैं सब भूल गई सेट पे जाके मतलब पहले दिन मेरा जो डांस का शॉट था वो 99 टेक्स होके ओके नहीं हुआ और सर पैकअप बोल के चले गए और अगले दिन शुरुआत में जब चीज़ें शुरू हुई उन्होंने मुझसे बात भी नहीं की मतलब कहीं ना कहीं मुझे इतना वो था कि मैंने इस आदमी को डिसअपॉइंट कर दिया यार वो भी एक फीलिंग होती है क्योंकि वो आपको ऐसे डायरेक्टली डांटते नहीं है बट
disenchanted.
he was a little happy
He was happy after that.
Yeah.
No, that was a
Second day.
good. That was a good performance. Huh? जब वो आप that last dance before, you have to watch it. And in the end, Richa, they say that it takes a village to bring up a child.
yeah
And we all know that. What's the way you have envisioned the first 5 years of your child? What are the kind of support systems that
अभी
you
तो
have?
मैं बार-बार लेग पोजीशन चेंज कर रही हूँ क्योंकि बीच-बीच में मुझे लात पड़ रही है
So cute. This was a good phase.
I actually haven't envisioned anything. I honestly not had the time also. After this promotional round is over, I'll take a breather. We produce also, so I'm going to look at more of that stuff.
Yeah.
And it takes a village to raise a child. Hopefully, I'll be surrounded by good people.
Yeah.
I think already this child is very privileged.
Mashallah.
It went to Sundance in my home.
Yeah.
It's promoting this show in different places. It's enriched with like the blessings of maestros like Sanjay Leela Pansali and Shudeep Da and good people all around. I just try to stay away from toxic energy. That's all.